Hey guys, what's up? My name is Eric and I'm the Techy Agent, and today we're doing an unboxing and first impressions of the Garmin Venu. So at the time of this review, the Garmin Venu retails for $399. There is a purchase link in the description below where you can go to Amazon for the best pricing possible. So this is Garmin's first attempt at a true smart wearable that is both fitness tracker and hybrid smartwatch at the same time. It sports an AMOLED display under Gorilla Glass 3. Now, even with the AMOLED display, you'll still get up to 5 days worth of battery life, and the watch is water resistant up to 5 atmospheres, so you can use this in the shower, you can take it with you swimming, and in fact it does have sports profiles that are built in for water sports. Now, one of the things that makes this watch interesting is that in terms of the build quality, cosmetics, how it looks and feels, and in terms of the features that they're offering, there really isn't any difference between this and the new Vivoactive 4. And in fact, you'll see here on screen, they're using the same exact optical heart rate sensor. The watches themselves look like the casings are being kind of recycled or reused for basically just different displays. And that really appears to be, as far as I can tell so far, the only difference between these two watches are the displays. And that's not necessarily a bad thing. The Garmin Vivoactive 4 in our testing did a fantastic job, and in fact I'll put a link to that review here at the end of this video. But for $50 more, Garmin is offering a very bright and crisp AMOLED display that works for 5 days, so there's definitely that to take into account. So my first thoughts and impressions are basically, it looks very, very similar to the Garmin Vivoactive 4, which is great because it looks good on the wrist. It's one of those watches that you can wear in a professional setting and in the gym, and it doesn't look out of place in either of those contexts. So we're going to be putting this watch through its paces over the next couple of weeks, so make sure you stay tuned for that. As always, we're going to be putting this through a wide variety of different workouts and exercises to see how this holds up. My expectation is that it's going to do well, again, because it's pretty much the Garmin Vivoactive 4 with an upgraded display. But stay tuned for that full review. This again is just my unboxing, first impressions, kind of a teaser video to let you guys know what's coming up here on the channel. So stay tuned for that full review coming soon. Hey guys, thanks for watching. My name is Eric and I'm the Techy Agent. We'll catch you next time.